Make some Cincinnati chili this weekend. It gets, maybe that'll send some good vibes to the team.
Yeah, we just need that Cincinnati chili type weather.
It is definitely going to be comfort food weather for the next few days. And I think a lot of folks have been wanting that kind of like, you know, more fall gray, at least to some extent. Not the best weekend, though, if you have to be outside or anything like that. So just heads up in that department. 10 TV weather impact day today, 5 a.m. until 10 p.m. We're going to be looking at heavy rain and gusty winds possibly upwards of 40 miles per hour at times. Be prepared. Download the 10 TV weather app, and you have the Doppler radar on there, so you can kind of toggle around and track where the rainfall is when we are not on air. But man, take a look at this. We have tornado warnings here across portions of South Carolina right now. This is a humongous storm right now, and I want to show you just kind of the size of it here. If we extend this all the way from parts of Georgia up to Indiana, I mean, we're looking at about 600 miles of precipitation right now showing up on the map. And so as we look at this, this is going to be moving up to the north. We also have a stationary boundary that is going to be working in conjunction with Helene to kind of enhance the overall rainfall that we're going to be tracking through today. Now, look at this right here. So, you know, folks ask, okay, tropical system, do we get severe weather? No, and the reason why is because with the way that hurricanes work, typically you get most of the severe weather, the tornadoes, on the right front quadrant of the storm, and that's just because you have a lot of winds moving different direction with different height, more wind shear effects, and that's why the Carolinas is actually in the hot seat for the risk of tornadoes today. Look at this right here, though, okay? So take a look at this map. There's Helene right there. We have high pressure off to the west. Look at how these two weather systems kind of work together over the next couple of days. High pressure is very strong, and so that kind of helps to kind of suppress Helene, and so Helene stalls. Well, how does that impact you? That impacts you because the fact that Helene is going to stall means that we're looking at showers not just today, but through the entire weekend going into next week. By Monday, look how little Helene has moved. Over the next 72 hours, the hurricane does not move that much. And so as a result, we're still going to be tracking cloudy, damp weather through the weekend. That's actually good because of the drought situation. Nonetheless, heavy rainfall throughout the day. Umbrella is definitely needed, but one of those days where if you have an umbrella, it's going to be going sideways, right? Because we have all the wind that we're going to be dealing with as well. 8 o'clock in the morning, tracking those showers. We get a bit of a break here around 10 o'clock, and then we get some more bands of rain moving in by about 1 o'clock this evening. 2 o'clock, we're looking at some showers, and then as we head towards 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, looking at showers. I know that out towards Millersburg today, we have Luke Bryan. That could be a little questionable with some of these showers moving on in. Not the best day for an outdoor country concert, but I know around 7 o'clock, the showers might be kind of broken up here across the map. And then by 9 o'clock, we actually catch a break, so maybe not a downpour through the whole show. That could be a good thing. Rainfall amounts, though, pick the city or town closest to you. Higher amounts further to the west, lower amounts further to the east, so that is good. I think a wide swath, 1 to 2 inches, seems pretty feasible through today. And then we dry things up going through the middle of next week, but we have to get through a very wet weekend. Temperatures mild through Sunday and Monday, dropping down to around 70 by Wednesday of next week. So we are going to be tracking the weather impact day for today. A little bit better, though, as we head towards Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures, though, cooling off and feeling more like fall by next Wednesday. All right, your time.